How to install Android game on Windows 11. Look here, I have 3 Android game on Windows 11. If you want to install Android game on Windows, you need this software. It is Smart Gaga. During this video, I will tell you how to install Smart Gaga. Let us play one of this game. I want to play this game. It is Android game. Now I install this game on PC. Look, we can play any Android game on PC, any if you want. Click on play. Okay, I want to choose this one. It is enough. We can install and also we can play any Android game on Windows 10 and also Windows 11. Let's install one game. For installing game on Smart Gaga, open one browser, click in this Google app, come to play. Search your Android game, any game you want. Search here. For example, I want to install car games. Search car games. I want to download this game. Right click here, then copy link address. Open new tab. Search here APK Pure. APK Pure. Hit enter. Open this first link. It is APK Pure. Right click, then open this link. Here we have search. Paste your link here. Right click, paste, then click on search. Here we have download button. Click on download APK. Scroll down. Download this APK. It is start. When you download your APK, here we have APK button. Click here, then type your APK name. I want to type, for example, Traffic. It is one game we download before. Choose this one, then click on open. Look, the installation is start. Don't forget to like this video. If you are new here, subscribe the channel. For installing Smart Gaga, we have one separate video. If you want to install this software, then watch this video. Have a good day. See you soon.